Hey guys, and welcome back. Here with another mobility video for you guys. This time we're going to tackle the pretzel stretch. So this is a great full body stretch that comes from the FMS camp and Dr. Gray Cook. What I really like about this is it's a full body stretch that targets several fascial lines that are associated with the anterior chain. So muscles that are typically tight from a sitting desk posture a lot, so the quads, the psoas, anterior deltoids, and chest, we're going to stretch those out. You want to make sure I'll walk you through step by step, but make sure you hang around to the end because I'll show you how this also serves as a good mobility assessment. So the setup for the pretzel stretch, not the pretzel stretch, is lying on our side. So we're going to stack our shoulders and then we're going to stack our hips, okay? From this point, we want to bring our knees flexed to at least 90 degrees, and we also want to have some sort of support device for our head. So I just have a towel or sweater will do, just so we can keep our head in neutral alignment. So from this point here is what we're going to do is we're going to scoot this bottom leg out, right, and extend the leg. So we're going to get a stretch for our quad and our psoas. So I'm ideally reaching towards more of my ankle, but if you have to reach for your foot, that's fine too. If you are really tight, guys, you could also use a towel to reach onto this as well too. So this is kind of our start position, and then the top hand braces down on the knee, pressing down like this. So this portion here, you're going to stretch out your glutes and your hip muscles around the musculature there. So at this point, this is kind of the setup position, but now the key part is tying in our breathing. So we want to take a big inhale and then big long exhalation. Ideally our exhalation is twice as long because that's when we release tension in our muscles. So we want to make sure that the relaxation breath is twice as long as our inhale. And when we are exhaling, we tie it all together by inhale, we exhale, we open up the chest towards the ceiling like so, and that's just going to heighten the amount of stretch we're going to get. Okay, little bonus, if you want to create some extra tension, I'm going to brace here, push down here, so I'm pushing this knee up to the sky, and then I'm going to kick forward with my front foot, creating tension. So say tense up for say 3 to 5 seconds, and then I tie in the breathing and the relaxation, and you should get a little bit extra range of motion. Okay, so again, great stretch to balance out or stretch out all those tight fascial lines that are associated with desk posture. So now when it comes to an assessment part of it, this is a way to assess symmetry. Obviously we want to have balance within our body. So if you do one side of your body and it feels a certain way and then it feels different the other way you do it, say for example the other side feels a lot tighter, I'd recommend you'd want to strive to balance that out, meaning that when you do this stretch, spend a little bit more time on the tighter side, which could either mean just doing that side a bit more frequently or doing it for a longer period of time. I'd recommend minimum dose is 90 seconds to say 120 seconds each time, and I would say recommend doing this towards the end of the day as well because it's going to help tone down the nervous system as well. Okay, so there's another stretch that you could add into your repertoire. Keep the comments coming, let us know how your workouts are doing, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.